It'll keep working as long as we don't look at it. There is a reason why people don't drive cars from 1985 every day and expect them to keep on chugging along forever. The same goes with the equipment we use to run our manufacturing facilities. Outlaying the money for something that isn't broken and provides no immediate sense of gratification can be a hard pill to swallow. But boy, if something does go wrong, there will be a headache much larger than simply the money spent on repairs. Fortunately, this can all be avoided. All it takes is following these 6 simple steps. The first step of every obsolescence project is to know what you have. A simple audit of the current hardware and status of electrical schematics is critical to the process. Next, identify where you would like to go with this in the future. Does this equipment run perfectly? Is there ROI associated with fixing an issue that could help offset the upgrade cost? Is there future functionality or equipment that should be considered? Third, determine if there are corporate or plant programming or electrical standards that could be implemented to ensure ease of troubleshooting and commonality. Fourth, ask when this will be installed. Operations needs to be involved in the decision. This will ultimately drive the when and how more than any other piece of information. Aim for outage windows that will allow for testing prior to the system coming back online and producing product. Fifth, know your costs. This can be handled by an internal engineering team or by having an assessment done to allow outside help to dig through the collateral. Shameless plug, we can help with this. Remember, there will be additional expenses and benefits of hiring outside help. Lastly, coordinate, schedule, and implement. Now that you know what is changing, why it's changing, how it's changing, where it's going, and when it can change, the rest is all in the execution. That's what we do for our systems and what we have seen work. Feel free to reach out with questions or stories about your controls hardware obsolescence projects.